Now that we have our initial site set up, we're going to add some pages and then I will show you how to edit them. So again, we go over to the right here, you'll see Insert, Pages, Themes. If we want to add a page, we go to the Pages section, click the plus, and the next page we're going to do is called About Me. Click Done. You see that this page is right here, but it's not published yet. I always suggest as soon as you make a page, publish it. That way you won't lose any work and get frustrated. So we're going to publish this page. It'll show you that this page is not published yet. Okay, we'll hit publish. And there it is. Now I'm going to add another page and we're going to call it EDT 370. 476 blog. Now you obviously won't call it that. You'll call it EDT 370 blog or EDT 476 blog, but for this demonstration we'll leave it like that. I'll click Done. And again, I want to publish it to make sure I don't lose anything. So I'm publishing it. Boom. Now you'll notice that it goes home, blog page, about me. If I want to change the order, I can simply click on the icon out there and drag it and arrange it however I want. That is going to be the way that I want it to be. So again, anytime you have something you want to save for sure, just go ahead and publish it. It's always a good idea. Now everything is saved exactly as you want. Let's go back to the home page and edit it just a little bit. So I'm going to go to the home page here, and now the page title can be whatever you want it to be. In this case, I'm going to call it, just like I said before, EDT 370 and EDT 476 sample. And just click outside of it and you have it. You can also edit the images or the header types that are on this one. On this case, I want my main page to be just one big picture, so I'm going to upload a new picture by clicking the drop down arrow here. Click that, and I'm going to use this GVSU Pew Campus picture here. So I'm going to open that, and I also want to make it, instead of just, because I'm not going to have anything else on the home page, I'm just going to have a picture. You can do yours however you want. I'm going to make it a big cover page, so I'm going to click this cover, and now that makes this whole page, and that's really all I want to do at my home page. So because I'm done, I'm going to publish it, and now I want to go work on my About Me page. Again, I don't want this design here. I'm going to upload my own image here, so I'll click this one, and I do, since this is my About Me page, I kind of like the beach. If you haven't figured that out, I'm going to leave that there, and I'm going to go ahead at this point in time and leave this alone with this, and I'll be adding some things to it later. But I'm done here, so I'm going to publish. I know you're thinking it's crazy to be publishing this much, but I would rather publish early and often and not lose stuff. That's just me. So the last thing I'm going to do is edit the header on the blog page. So I'll go there, and again I'm going to click this image, and I'm going to pick this beach blog because, as I said, I love to work on the beach. Well, it's kind of water back there. And we're all set. So I'm going to hit publish. That's how you can just edit different things. When you want to add things to your site, you do that through this insert. And let's go to the About Me page. If I wanted to insert a text box, I can simply click on text box, and it's going to insert a text box here, and I can type my text here. And because I have all these different things, I can make it a title. I can change whatever I want to do. I can do all that sort of stuff, sizes, whatever, bold, italicize, underline, whatever I want to do. And if I just want that to be the title, I'm just going to go ahead and click that off. And maybe I want to now have another text box, and it'll automatically put it down below. This case, I'm going to leave it as normal text. I'm going to leave it as black there, and I could say, okay, just like that. So I kind of think you get the idea. You basically just draw things apart. And these are all the different things that you can put in there. Now you are going to be asked to embed a 30-second video of you doing something from YouTube. So let's just, well, I'll do that later. We're going to leave it at this point right now. So that's how you add pages and how you edit them. I want to keep these fairly short. I'm going to publish it before I leave. And that's all we're going to do right now.